I'll get you a nice pic of me hooking it up to the foam sprayer if you want.
Oh yeah, definitely. Trust me, I take hours worth of footage and only 15 minutes of it makes it onto the video.
I know how that goes.
Yeah. Welcome back. Obviously, it's Mike from Slow Speed. Today is part 2 because yesterday was a fail of attempting to clean this car for 2 seconds. But we're out here with Mike.
How's it going, guys?
I'll put the link in the description below on exactly where the location is and how to contact them through Instagram, correct?
Yeah, through IG you can actually book the appointments right through the IG.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Or you could DM us or you can call us, either one.
All right. Sounds good. So today, only one exception. I know he has his own equipment up here, correct?
Yep.
But today what we're going to be doing is we're going to use Vvash Autocare. Once again, if you guys want to save 15% off this, you're going to use SS15 on their website. Website's going to be down in the description. In a second, we're going to see how it works. This is my first time using this stuff. Besides yesterday, it's the first time you guys are going to see me use this stuff. We're going to hurry up and get on with the process because this man has a limited amount of time to do whatever he needs to do.
More suds?
Yeah. You're gonna use a little more product just to get maximum sud. Now let me actually, did you open it up or?
Yeah, I took the top off it before when I did it.
Hey, listen.
That's the easiest way, I guess.
Oh. We don't need that. We're gonna give you guys the real. If this stuff is shit, we're gonna tell you. I'm being honest.
You're getting max suds right now.
Yeah. I used this yesterday. This stuff really does work really good. The wheel cleaner. They come with these nozzles, which I don't know if they're all like that, but they were backwards. So backwards. Stream. Hold on.
Yeah, stream and spray.
Yeah, but the stream was spray and the spray was stream.
Oh, okay.
That's what I realized yesterday. So I don't know if they're all screwed up like that, but that's one thing I can say about it. It was backwards. These are a little long, but if you just push it in, it'll work. Let me see. Curious. It's basically a spray wax. See? So you just push it down. And that smells like alcohol. You wanna see how good this does? You see it before, right?
Yeah, please.
I think I might use more than normal people, you know? You heard me?
That's a lie, man.
Huh?
That's a lie.
I like this stuff though. This is one thing that I really like. The soap, I might have to choose something else, so I'll definitely get in contact with them and get a different soap. But wheel cleaner right here is good. I like it. I recommend this. And just beware, these things aren't exactly the most high quality, so don't break it. If I haven't taught you anything, never cut the exhaust off of a CVT Ultima or Maxima. Sounds like crap. You hear him?
Yeah.
It's like drone, but it doesn't shift gears, so it's always drone.
Top out for it. 135 miles an hour.
Yeah, I think that's a little backwards.
I want like a nice spritz.
Yeah,
There we go.
I think they're all kind of backwards. Yeah, surface streak free. But hey, if it works, right?
And sometimes when you use the microfiber cloth like this, without a shop rag, it'll leave a streak, and this stuff left no streak.
Yeah, that is pretty clean,
I
huh?
have this thing in my car that makes plastic gloss.
Oh, I need that. Yeah, I like that.
got
The
it
plastic
right now.
renewer. It's not Vvash, don't bring it. No, I'm joking.
I'm not bringing it.
I'm joking. It comes with a nice little sponge, this tire shine. I'm not sure exactly. That's more like a thicker liquid, right?
Yeah, I know how to do it. It's like an applicator. Just put a little on there. Sometimes you can use like a brush.
Yeah, I used to use a brush all the time.
Yeah.
This is actually my first time owning an applicator.
Be a little more generous this time around.
Listen, man, be as generous as you want. Just don't put some on the inside too much, because you know I'm not trying to die on the highway. It looks pretty damn clean.
I'm just gonna do it one panel at a time, you know.
Listen, man, do what you gotta do.
Nice.
You're the professional here. I'm just the guy with the camera. I'm not even a camera professional. I tell people all the time.
You edit that out.
I know, right? I do a good job at editing. This thing already looks spectacular, though. So, just to recap, the products we use from Vvash Auto. It sounds like a Volkswagen company, no?
Can't forget chemical guys.
Yo, chemical guys is not part of this video.
Recommend getting this.
Or hit him up. Don't hit me up. Hit me up. I'm a Vvash guy. So, premium shampoo.
Solely recommend.
All right, the premium shampoo. I can't really say I recommend this because I want a little more suds, so I will go ahead and see what other options they have. But it's nice. It gets the job done. My favorite out of the group. This is my favorite. So once again, if you guys want to save 15% off, use the code SS15 to save 15% off. And if you want to pay full price for Chemical Guys and be this guy right here, you can definitely do so.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So that was a successful wash. Now, the products, I tried them, I tested them out. I told you which ones I like. I like them all actually, except for the shampoo. So they have different shampoos, and I think that will be a good candidate if you don't have a foam cannon and you just want to pour it in a bucket. It seemed like that. The lubricity was very high, but it had no suds. And I know people these days love suds. So I'm gonna keep trying it out till we get it right. But I think Vvash is a winner there. Vvash is definitely a winner, and it's gonna stay my preference in auto car care because it does a hell of a job. As you see in that guy detailer, he's detailed a few cars. He has his own products, but I told him, listen, we're only gonna use Vvash, and I want you to compare it. Thank you guys for choosing me to partner up with you guys and pass on a 15% off discount. With that being said, me and my boy Ryan gonna ride out to Jones Beach. So you guys wanna progress in life, sometimes you just gotta pull up with your boy one time, talk to him. We just got some real good inspirational talk from the guy Eric, what he does and stuff like that. Like I said, I wish him the best success in his business. Now, as far as his business goes, I'm a huge DIY guy. So, you know, I do everything myself. I try to do everything myself. And washing cars is no exception. I will continue to wash my car myself for the most part. There you go, Ryan, try to think he's spicy with the pulls and stuff. I'm gonna get him. I'm just talking to y'all right now. But yeah, so yeah, it's gonna be DIY, but it's the fact that you woke up and you started grinding. I respect that, and I wish them the best success in everything. Now, was it the best wash? No, it wasn't the best wash. However, it's aggressively priced, 25 bucks. And two, you know, like I said, he has that mentality, he has that ambition, he has that grind. This is his second or third business that he's doing right now. So, you know, he knows what he's doing business-wise, and I'm wishing the best success to that. Vvash, thank you guys once again, and we're going to be out of here. My man over here think he quick, huh? He think he quick, huh? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Let's see that Eco Boost. I call it Eco Bye-Bye. Let's see if he try to move. Uh-oh, here you go. Look. I always antagonize my friends, yo. I'm that guy. I'm the bad guy. Look at me. I'm the bad guy. Yo, we out of here. Peace out.